Recognize emotional triggers to better navigate your reactions and enhance personal growth. Watch this closely. Yawning influences us deeper than you think, turning our awareness to emotional currents in those around us. Scientists tell us that yawning is just one example. We also catch emotions like stress and anxiety. How do we break free from this cycle? Enter Stoicism, a philosophy designed to arm you against the negative fallout of emotional contagion. Let's explore 3 essential hacks to stay calm. The first Stoic hack is the dichotomy of control. Ask yourself, what can I control? Focus on your reactions, not external events. As Epictetus taught, it's not about what happens but how you react to it that defines you. This requires practice and conscious awareness. Let's talk about Ryan. He faced a stressful traffic jam, anxiety bubbling. Then he remembered, I control my response, and found a way to relax. Next time stress hits, remember Ryan. Ask, can I control this situation? If not, let it pass, recognizing that it doesn't define you. The second Stoic hack is premeditatio malorum. Imagine the worst scenarios before they happen. This prepares you for the unexpected. By visualizing potential challenges like job loss or family drama in advance, you reduce their emotional impact. This proactive thinking creates resilience. Feeling skeptical about pre-imagining tough times? Try this tonight, visualize being stuck in traffic. You'll feel lighter when it happens. Athletes use visualization to prepare for success. Stoics like Seneca employed it to ensure they survived life's challenges. Both methods fortify your mindset. When others are angry, view it as an opportunity to maintain composure. Your calm response can influence their emotional state positively. The third hack is building positive immunity through Amor, Fati, choosing to love your fate, including challenges. When negativity encircles you, choose to emit positivity. Small acts, a smile or kind word, create ripples that uplift everyone around. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Nurture those thoughts daily. Incorporate daily journaling or gratitude lists into your routine. Even during chaos, turning inward helps you cultivate resilience. Creating a fortress of immunity around your emotional well-being will enable you to withstand the pressures of modern life. Amid the chaos of social media outrage or heated discussions, you can remain calm, knowing you're not affected by outside influences. Visualize your potential obstacles and actively create strategies to navigate them. Uncertainty becomes an ally rather than an enemy. As you implement these Stoic hacks, revisit them often. Practice builds emotional fortitude against life's ups and downs. When emotional contagion strikes, take a moment to reflect. Recognize what you feel and ask whether it truly belongs to you. Surround yourself with uplifting people who foster happiness and peace. Your community influences your emotional landscape. Studies highlight that practicing mindfulness, like Stoicism, can reduce emotional contagion significantly, by up to 40%. Stay sharp for emerging challenges. In relationships, Stoicism helps prevent conflicts from spreading. Your emotional resilience becomes a shield against negative interactions. In the workplace, Stoic leaders guide teams through crises with unshakable calm. Your tranquility sets the tone for those around you. Let's recap the 4 key Stoic pillars that build your emotional immunity: control, visualization, Amor, Fati, and the power to emit peace. Practice one of these techniques today, and witness how it transforms your emotional landscape. Start small and grow your resilience. Remain aware of emotional contagion as it happens. Recognizing when it strikes helps you reclaim your emotional power. As you navigate emotional challenges, seek opportunities to lead with Stoic calm. Your influence can inspire others to rise above negativity. Implementing these practices will not only enhance your coping skills but also uplift those around you. It's a chain reaction. Remember, your journey toward emotional resilience is ongoing. Each step you take brings you closer to mastering your emotions. Your emotional life depends on your choices. Embrace Stoic practices and see how they transform your perspective, bringing peace. Take a few moments today to reflect on these ideas. Write down your thoughts and how you plan to implement these Stoic tools. Welcome to the world of Stoicism. This ancient wisdom offers timeless strategies that can revolutionize your emotional health. Are you ready to embrace these Stoic principles? Join the journey toward emotional resilience. Your peace starts now. Put these Stoic practices into action today. Remember that every small step counts towards building a better emotional future. Explore additional resources on Stoicism. Books, podcasts, and online communities can enhance your understanding and practice. Share your journey with others who are also discovering Stoicism. Your experiences may inspire and uplift those around you. Join online forums or workshops on Stoicism to connect with others, share insights, and grow together in wisdom. Dedicate yourself to continual practice. Make Stoicism a daily part of your life, continuously refining your emotional resilience. What will you tackle first on your Stoic journey? Share your thoughts and plans in the comments below. We can learn together. Thank you for joining this exploration of Stoicism. Together, we can navigate emotional challenges and build resilience. Stay tuned for more content on Stoicism and emotional resilience. Subscribe and hit the bell for updates on our next video. Next, delve into Stoic sleep hacks that enhance your resilience even further. Your peace journey continues. Embrace these Stoic practices. Your emotional immunity begins with knowing that the battle starts within.